Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the simple steps to redeem your Amazon gift cards and start shopping instantly. Whether you've received a gift card for a special occasion or you've purchased one for yourself, we will make sure you know exactly how to use it. Let's get started. Step 1. Sign in to your Amazon account. First, navigate to the Amazon website or open the Amazon app on your device. If you aren't already signed in, enter your email address and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access the gift card redemption page. Once you are logged in, look for the Accounts and Lists option at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select your account. Next, find and click on the Gift Cards option, which will take you to the gift card redemption page. Step 3. Enter your gift card code. On the gift card redemption page, you will see a field labeled Redeem a Gift Card. Take your gift card and find the code on the back. You may need to scratch off the protective layer. Enter the code into the specified field carefully. Make sure there are no extra spaces or characters. Step 4. Apply your gift card balance. After entering your code, click on the Apply to Your Balance button. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your gift card balance has been successfully added to your Amazon account. This balance will now be available for your future purchases. Step 5. Start shopping. With your gift card balance now applied, you can start shopping immediately. Browse through the wide range of categories and products on Amazon. When you are ready to check out, your gift card balance will automatically apply to your order as a payment method. Step 6. Keep track of your balance. To keep track of your remaining gift card balance, return to the gift cards section in your account. This page will show you your current balance and any transactions made using the gift card. We hope this step-by-step guide has made it easy for you to redeem your Amazon gift cards and shop instantly. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.